thing to remember. The scene starts to tumble to the sound of the drums. Oh boy, there ain't no need to buy a diamond ring. It ain't no big thing, just show her a little
Good day everyone. So my topic is today is what is motor speed and direction control. So unsa man ang naaana. So ang motor speed and direction control kay mao ni siya nag-refers to the process of adjusting how fast a motor rotates and which way it turns. This control is important for ensuring that machine and devices operate properly and efficiently. So unsa man ang motor and direction control. So ang motor and direction control mao ni siya mag-control or mag-manage siya unsay kapaspasa sa pagtuyok or sa pagkuan sa machine nang magdala siya na nagdalag kakusog. Example sa electric fan, kung wala siya motor, so dili siya makontrol nimo unsa siya kakusga o unsa siya kakusga sa pagtuyok niya. So mao na ang motor speed and direction control. So ang direction kay mao po na ang kuan na example sa ceiling fan. So di ba makabante mo sa electric fan magtuyok-tuyok siya bisag asa, bisag kilid. O mao na siya. So move on na tana. So speed control, hara na tapunta sa speed control. So speed controls means changing how fast the motor spins in DC motor. This then by adjusting the voltage in AC motors. It controlled by changing the frequency of the power supply using devices such as variable frequencies. So ang kuan ng speed control day kay mao ni siya magkuan og like mga volume, mao ni siya magkuan siya sa having a volume knob or for some motor. So mao ni siya magkuan sa kakusga sa pagtuyok. So ang for DC motor na pod kay mao ni siya like in some toys. So mao ni siya mag-change siya sa kakusga sa voltahe nga siya nag-adjust sa voltahe sa mga sample mga duwaan. Mao ni siya pero mo pa ni siya nag-supply sa power. So for AC motors naman po kay mao pa ni siya magkuan sa mga like sa balay nato, sa mga appliances or sa mga atong device. So another example na ang power drill. Nakakuan mo ng power drill mag-control so unsa siya pagkapaspas nga mo tuyok siya. Mao na siya. So thank you everyone.
Hey everyone, my name is Jumbi Operator and my topic is all about direction control. Direction control means changing the rotation of the motor from forward to reverse or vice versa. In DC motor, direct current motor, this is achieved by the reversing the polarity of the current, while in AC motors or alternating current motor, it is done by swapping any two-phase connection. So ang kanidang direction control is muna siya ang pag-ili sa tuyok sa tuang motor from forward to reverse. Depende na siya sa pag-assemble sa tuang motor. Nga kung sa DC motor or direct current motor, ang dagan sa imuhang motor kay forward, ang tuyok sa imuhang motor kay clockwise. Nya kung reverse ang dagan sa imuhang motor, kay ang tuyok niya kay mukuha na siya counterclockwise, kay reversing the polarity of motor terminal naman. So while ang AC motor or alternating current motor, kuha na siya done by swapping in any two-phase connection. Kung ang motor phase connection mo kay L1 to L2 to L3 niya, kay motor phase sequence man, ang tuyok sa imong motor kay clockwise na niya, ang conveyor moves forward. And kung ang technician or nagbuhat sa motor kay ganahan siya i-swap ang two-phase connection or two-phase wire sa L1 to L2, ang tuyok sa iyang motor kay kuha na siya counterclockwise niya, ang conveyor moves backward. In simple terms, ang kaning motor speed and direction control dahil it allows the motor to run faster, slower, or in the opposite direction depending on what the machine or system needs to do.
Good day everyone, I am Miko Makapobare and I am here to discuss AC motor. In an AC motor, you can change the frequency of the power supply using a variable frequency drive. In short, VFD. Higher frequency increases speed and a lower frequency decreases it. Ang variable frequency drive murag speed control sa AC motor. Kung paspasan mo ang kuryente, taasan mo ang frequency, mas paspas matuyok ang motor. Kung hinayon mo ang kuryente, usbo ng frequency, mas hinay matuyok ang motor. Mo niya trabaho sa VFD, variable frequency drive. Kontrolin kung usa kapaspas o kahinay matuyok ang motor. Para sa pag-ikot sa knob sa electric fan, aron paspas o hinay ang hangin.
Good evening everyone. So mo din akong report and an AC motor, the speed of rotation depends on the frequency of the power supply. When we use a variable frequency drive VFD, we can control the frequency that goes into the motor. The idea is simple. If the frequency increase, the motor's speed also increase. If the frequency decreases, the motor's speed slow down. The VFD also helps control voltage, which protects the motor and makes it run smoothly. This technology is a very useful in industries and gives better control over machines like fans, pumps, and conveyors. Flow of examples. 1. Concept motor speed is directly related to frequency. 2. Tool used the VFD controls the frequency and voltage supplied to the motor. 3. Effects higher frequency, faster motor speed. Lower frequency, slower motor speed. 4. Benefits, smooth control, energy saving, and longer motor life. So, basically, kung AC motor ang gamit, ang speed niya mag-depend sa frequency sa kuryente, mao ni ang rason nga gamit ta VFD or variable frequency drive para maka-control nato ang frequency ug voltage nga moagi sa motor. Like kung imo naon o nga frequency mas paspas siya mo ikot, pero kung imo i-lower mas hinay siya mo under. Very smart and nga like kay dili lang siya pag adjust sa speed, pero makatipid pod og kuryente nang prolong sa life sa motor.
Good day everyone, my name is Algie Whopper. My topic to change the directions of rotations and a DC motor, reversing the polarity of the directions of current flow, making the motor rotate in the opposite directions. Example, in the DC motor connected to a battery, if you swap the positive and negative terminals of the battery, the motor will spin in the opposite direction.
In a AC motor, swapping in any two-phase connection reverse the rotation direction. An AC motor is a type of electric motor that operates using alternating current. AC, it converts electrical energy into mechanical energy through the interaction of magnetic fields. One important feature of AC motors is that their rotation direction can be changed easily. This is useful for machines that needed to move in both directions like elevators, fan, and conveyor system. Ang AC motor kay ginagamit sa daghang machine nga powered by alternating current. Kini nga motor mo convert og kuryente into motion gamit ang magnetic field. Pero ang cool part ani pwede ra kayo nimo usbon ang direksyon sa iyang tuyok. Useful kayo ni kung kay machine nga kailangan mo move forward o backward like elevator o conveyor. Ang direksyon sa tuyok sa AC motor nakabase sa phase sequence sa tulo ka wires like line 1, line 2, line 3. Normally naga-flow ang current into a certain order. Example kay line 1, line 2, line 3. Mauna ni ang reason nga mo tuyok ang magnetic field sa usa ka direksyon. Pero kung gusto nimo balihon ang tuyok sa simple kayo, sab lang duha ka phase connection like line 1, line 2, mag-imo na silang i-swap sa ma-reverse ang flow sa current sequence o automatic po nga ma-reverse ang tuyok ng magnetic field mo po nga ang motor makaspin o sa pikas direction.
So, I am here to explain the simple control methods of motor directions. Electric motors can easily change their directions of rotation using simple methods. In DC motors, the direction is reversed by changing the polarity of the power supply. This means swapping the positive and negative connections, which make the current flow in the opposite direction, causing the motor to spin the other way. Electric motors can easily change their spin directions. For DC motors, reversing the direction is simple. Just change the polarity of the power supply. This means swapping the positive and negative connections. When you do this, the electric current flows in the opposite directions through the motor. This change in current directions causes the motor to spin the other way. It's a straightforward method used in many devices to control movement directions.
Good day everyone, my name is Mark Joseph and today I will explain AC motors. AC motors, the direction of reverse by changing two phases sequence. This is done by interchanging any two of the three phase wires, which change the order in which the magnetic field rotate, reversing the motor's direction. If we want to reverse the direction of the motors, we simplify change the phase sequence. This can be done by interchanging any two of the three phases wire. When we do that, the order of the magnetic field also changes. As a result, the magnetic field starts to rotate in the opposite direction and the motors reverse its spin. So summarize na to tanan, so the direction of AC motors can be reversed by switching any two of the 3 phases wire. And that's all. Thank you.